Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn the auto blocker on in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So where to find it? First we have to go to the settings menu, then we're looking for security and privacy options. And right here at the bottom we have auto blocker. What does it do? Keep your phone safe by blocking threats and other suspicious activity. Let's read more. Here's a little explanation. It just makes our phone safer and more difficult to access. So let's turn it on. We have a few customizable options right here. App protections, updates only by USB cable, preventing installation from software from using USB cable, so no other integration in our phone. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.